Part 1. How do you factory reset ZTE phone from settings? Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on the Backup and Restore option. It may vary slightly depending on your ZTE model. Step 3. Select Factory Data Reset. You will be asked to confirm that you want to erase all data. Tap Reset Device. Step 4. If you have a PIN or password set, you may be asked to enter it to proceed. Then, your phone will reboot and begin the reset process. Once complete, your ZTE phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Part 2. How to factory reset a ZTE phone through buttons. Step 1. Turn off your ZTE phone completely. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Step 3. Once the ZTE logo appears, release the power button but continue holding the volume up button. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select wipe data or factory reset. Step 5. Choose yes to confirm that you want to erase all data. Once the reset is complete, select Reboot System Now to restart your phone. Part 3. How do you reset a ZTE? This method requires your phone to be connected to the internet and linked to a Google account, but be aware that it requires an active internet connection on the phone. Step 1. On a computer or another phone, visit Google Find My Device and sign in with the Google account linked to your ZTE phone. Step 2. From the list of devices, select your ZTE phone. Step 3. On the left-hand menu, click Erase Device. This will initiate a factory reset of your phone remotely. Step 4. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to erase all data on the device. Click Erase to proceed. Step 5. Your phone will begin the factory reset process, erasing all personal data and restoring it to the original factory settings. Part 4. How to factory reset on a ZTE via Android Unlock. Android Unlock allows you to bypass a lock screen or Google account FERP and perform a factory reset even if your phone is locked. Step 1. Install the software on your computer and connect your ZTE phone to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open the program and select Remove Screen Lock. Then, click the Start button. Step 3. The software will automatically identify your device's details. Upon confirming the accuracy of the information, proceed by clicking on Start to Unlock. In case of any discrepancies, you have the option to manually adjust them. Step 4. Within just a few minutes, the necessary data packet will be downloaded and dispatched to your device. Simply follow the prompts displayed on screen to initiate the reset process and wait patiently as it removes the screen lock password from your ZTE phone. Part 5. How to factory reset ZTE by Coolmuster Android Eraser. If your goal is to securely wipe all the data from your ZTE phone before selling, donating, or trading it, Coolmuster Android Eraser is a fantastic tool. Step 1. Download, install, and open the program on your computer. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your ZTE phone to the computer and enable USB debugging. Next, grant the necessary permissions and click OK to continue. Step 3. On the interface, tap Erase. Select a security level from the relevant column. Click OK. Enter Delete into the blank field. Tap Erase. Click OK to confirm. After that, it will start erasing your ZTE phone. Step 4. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your ZTE phone to factory settings from Settings and set up the device as new.